guys, so this is my very first video on YouTube and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this unicorn cake for my daughter's half birthday. And yeah, these are the ingredients. You can take a screenshot of it. So yeah, first I'm going to add room temperature butter, and I'm going to add half of the powdered sugar and blend it for a couple of minutes. And now I'm gonna add the other half and I'm gonna blend it again and make sure that these two ingredients are mixed really nice, and after that the batter should look something like this. So once that is over, now I'm going to add the all-purpose flour. So I've already added the baking powder along with the all-purpose flour and I've mixed it nicely. So you need to add the all-purpose flour little by little so that there are no lumps forming inside. If you're going to add all these together, then it will be really hard for you to mix it. Now I'm taking eggs and I'm just adding it one by one. So I've added a total of 7 eggs here. So you have to add one at a time and blend it nicely. And here at last we're going to add some vanilla essence. You can use vanilla extract as well. Once you're done with that, you'll have to blend it again. Blend. It's all about blending the ingredients together. So this is the final batter, and I baked the cake here for 35 to 40 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. I baked 4 cakes and I cut out the top bulgy part of the cake and made it flat to apply the buttercream frosting in between each layers. Covering the cake with the butterscotch buttercream frosting. I'm just going to cover it with a single layer, but if you want to do, you can do 2 layers as well, but make sure you leave a couple of minutes between covering the other layer. Just give it some time. Here I'm just decorating with pastel colored buttercream, and you can play around with the color you like and the designs. It's really fun. So if you guys want to know how I made this buttercream, then do let me know in the comments or DM me so that I can make a separate video for you guys. And now for the unicorn horn and the ears, I used all-purpose flour instead of fondant. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Do follow me on Instagram, like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care, bye.